I am not a whore. I am not a whore. I am not a whore. I am not a whore.
But I like to do it.
Dude, like, you gonna see my baby, you guys?
It's a kitty. What's wrong with it?
It's sleeping. Come down.
Can we take it out and put it on the ground?
Yeah, I brought this to the play, man. I'm like not very sure. Like, what if we get in trouble?
Give me the cat. Well, we already have it. No, let's just do it right here.
Oh, you chase them.
The cat's over there.
Cover your bubbles. Oh, you love me, huh?
His tail is up. Her tail is up.
Bubbles, bubbles.
Is Bubble whizzing? What the?
Look at Blaze.
How does the song go? The rainbow?
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh, it's cute. It's okay. You know the tutor, Ryan? I think that's his name. He was right there.
Oh yeah, look that shit.
Hiding.
It's okay,
Mother
kitty.
wolf with baby wolf.
Mother wolf with baby wolf.
This isn't even a wolf.
Let go.
Yeah, now? Come on, babies. Bubbles, come on, Bubbles.
Take this out.
You know if I climbed it? I feel like it's gonna pee on me.
Well, it's better if it pees now than later.
No, like when we're inside, I feel like it's gonna pee on me. Bubbles, come here, come here. It's like a wild, look at the little wild creature I found. Remember when you brought it? His freaking reaction. He's like, what the fuck?
I'll eat you.
So cute. Place if you want. High five.
High five. Thank you.
Roar.
Look over here.
Come with me.
If you guys find it, then yeah,
I think it's mine. It's yours?
yeah.
Come on, kitty. Come on. Yeah.